Phillips Countertop is a premium countertop RO tested by SGS and CNAS for removing heavy metals, bacteria, and even fluoride. It uses an aquaporin membrane, the same technology NASA has tested for water purification in space. But the threads on the water tank can loosen and give way over time, and you can only use about 2/3 of the reservoir before you need to dump it and refill. So in this video, we are going to test Phillips Countertop RO on filtration performance, design, and ease of use and maintenance so that you can find out if it's truly worth your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, filtration performance. Phillips Countertop RO works on a 3-stage system. The first stage is a sediment and carbon filter that removes rust, dirt, and chlorine. The second stage is the reverse osmosis membrane, built with aquaporin technology. This is designed to mimic the way water moves through cells in nature, and it's been tested by NASA for efficiency. It handles heavy metals like lead, PFAS, and microbes, including bacteria and fungi. Finally, a post-carbon filter polishes the taste of the water. They are SGS tested and CNAS certified to remove bacteria, heavy metals, and other harmful TDS. That said, Phillips is clear that this system is meant for municipal tap water, not untreated well water. While they market it as a filter that reduces hardness from water, it doesn't actually prevent limescale buildup. If you live in a hard water area, you'll need to descale it every 1 or 2 months. So better use it on soft water only. Now, let's move to water flow and design. The official flow rate of this water filter is around 0.07 gallons per minute, which translates to roughly 2 minutes to fill a standard 17-ounce bottle. That is slower than the AquaTrue Classic, but slightly faster than the Blue Vua Robot. The capacity of this filter is 0.6 gallons, but you can only use about 2/3 of that before the machine forces you to dump the leftover water and refill. For some, that's a daily annoyance. And in terms of size, it's pretty compact, so it doesn't hog your counter space. But there are some design quirks. The reservoir sits in the back, so every refill means pulling it off and carrying it around. Some users said the threading on the tank eventually gives out under the weight, and in a few cases, the machine didn't register that the jug was removed, which led to leaking. On the bright side, people love the one-touch fill button. Hit it once, and it dispenses just over 16.9 ounces, which is basically 1 full water bottle without you having to hold it. The pure-to-waste ratio is listed as 3:1, which is again behind AquaTrue but better than Blue Vua. Now let's move on to ease of setup and maintenance. There is no plumbing or drain line. You just plug it in, fill the back reservoir, and let it run through a 20-minute flushing cycle the first time you use it. After that, you're ready to go. You don't get extra features like real-time TDS readings or hot and cold water dispensing, which some of Philips' more expensive units do. Although you do get a flushing status light and a filter life indicator. Maintenance is just as simple. There is only one composite RO filter, and you will need to swap it out once a year or every 528 gallons. The replacement filter costs about $61, which is cheaper than most countertop RO units. Finally, let's come to warranty and customer support. Philips offers a 24-month warranty on the unit, which is generous for this category. The brand itself is globally trusted, but their customer service has concerns like slow response time and lack of replacement parts. With all said and done, here's the key takeaway. The Phillips Countertop RO provides all-round filtration with NASA-backed aquaporin membrane. It's easy to install and maintain despite its design quirks. Have you tried Phillips Countertop filters? Share your experiences in the comments below. And for another useful clean water guide, check out this video next.